That's officially cool. Navitas absolutely going hammered on art. Woo! Alright, we are good to go. Just finalizing some things. I just found out something cool here. Alright, let's go. Alright. Alright. How loud is this music? Alright, that should be good enough. Alright, we are live. Good morning. It has been a hectic week. I'm going to be as active as possible. We are killing it. At least I am. It has been a great day so far, up 13%. TMRC, so this is the one I was looking at, already up 13%. Good morning. ¿Cómo está? All right. 13% today. Okay. Sounds good. And we are just warming up. So this TMRC is honestly one of the ones that I've been eyeing just because of the affordability. Now this is obviously a mining, I believe. What is this one again? Mineral company. I don't know why. The price target, the volume, it's not picking up. Not sure what kind of earnings we're looking at, but this thing obviously is at resistance, and I think we blew past resistance, so we're gonna see some sort of pullback literally happening in a couple of minutes. So let's see how hard the pullback is gonna be. Hopefully we take a nice little position. I am eyeing it, that's for sure. I am eyeing it. Let's get my little tripod. My little tripod. We are good. All right, we are good. Everything's ready to go. All right, finally. So this one's definitely on my radar. We blew past the 0.618. Now we're breaking resistance, which has been a clean area right here. So this one's really calling my name. Hey. So we have this resistance here. This is interesting. All right, let's blow it. All right, we're live. We are live. Let's see here. All right, so far so good. RR. We're about to catch a wave right now. Okay. RR looks like it wants to run. Let's see here. Let's see. Nice little push here on RR. What did RR hit? Oh, that's what it hit. It's going for another run. All right, let's see. So this one looks like it's running. Where's RR? Bitfarm. Let's see the velocity. Let's see what the volume is coming in here. Wow, I don't have volume in here. You gotta give me a pullback. Give me the pullback. Sell off and then the ripper. Wait, is this thing working? Ooh. NVTS now making a move here. You have a lot of buyers coming in on RR. This actually would be a good opportunity to get in, even though it's high, but I suspect a little bit of pullback. Wow, look at Navitas. Navitas, absolutely ripper. SPY, still looking good, still looking juicy. Hyperscaler, not catching a bit here. Looks like Bitfarm wants to catch. Bitcoin wants to, Bitfarm or RR wants to make another move. It's already up 7%, and it's already high. Can you catch it already? It's a little too late. It's a little too late. Yeah, it looks like the Fibonacci's are not working here. Let me see TMRC. 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 There we go, now it's working. Alright, bingo. Navitas, $9 here. Why is NVTS going parabolic here? NVTS. Wow, okay. Whoa. Why did NVTS go crazy? It's about to make new highs here. Interesting. Navitas really went from 5 to 8. We're hitting now key area resistance here. This is it. So let's find that. Let's change that colorway. Let's change it to blue, maybe. Maybe it should be white. Maybe it should be yellow. Whatever, we'll keep it that way. Alright, so SPY wants to come down a little bit here. SPY wants to come down a little bit here. Let's see what happens. Interesting. Very interesting what SPY's doing. Was something said here? Bitfarm does show a little bit of a weakness here. Yeah, but I'm not gonna sell that. WM. Ooh, very interesting here. A nice little pullback. That is very much the situation here. And now it's us with a 9% here. Looks like it wants to buy more. Pretty much everything's already up and away here. I should probably start. What? What the fuck that means? I mean, we were kind of due for a retracement here. Let's see what it looks like here. On the daily, 36. Arguably, yeah. 3, 4. Jesus Christ, you're gonna hammer me for that? On the day. Let's take a look at Bitfarm on another scale here. Alright, let's see what it touches. Alright, the 20 EMA on the 1 hour breaking down, and then we have the fucking 50 SMA. That's gonna be another active support here. Huge trend here. I mean, unless we kind of whiff from here by the bottom. Yeah, it's touching the 50 SMA and EMA. We get a wick. That's gonna be your bounce. Blah blah blah. Respected bounce. Yeah, this was a good buy right here. Look at that. It's gonna continue respecting that. Why is this all fucking blue? Oh, the harmonic? Where's the harmonic at? Okay, we got it. It's there. Alright, I don't need to brightening up my screen. I'll leave it right there. Boom. Everything's too rippy. 5 EMA broke. 20 EMA. Touching that 50 EMA. Alright, let's see if we can actually sustain that here. Bitfarm. GPUS breaking down. Holy shit. It is a dog shit ticker. Very interesting. Wow. Had a massive swing, and look at that. Gave it all right back. Bitfarmerino. RSI to center line. Let's test the RSI. So as long as we stay above the center line, we should be fine. Above that center line, we should be fine. There it is. We're not losing focus here. Let me see the 4 hour. Yeah. Just continue to hammer that. Just hold it. There you go. That bounced beautiful. RSI on the 1 hour. Still above. We can still test it. 20 EMA on. We have 18 minutes left. 30 minutes. We're smacking the 50 SMA EMA. That's what I'd like to see here. Double confluence. We're fighting here. Average level 2 on top of that. There's a lot of contention here. Get the people taking their profits. Move right on up. Still risky to hold, but it's data centers. First hour of the day, you don't touch. First hour of the day, you do not touch. No touchy touchy. Stay away from volatility. All right, let's start looking at potential tickers to buy. All right, so ABAT. Oh, that's right, ABAT. Oh shit! It looks like we're breaking below the 50 and the. This thing went fucking parabolic. Good morning, bull still dropping. Really? Holy shit! It is. Bro, it broke key resistance area, support areas. Wow, that's honestly I'm shocked at the same time. Very, very interesting. Well, actually, it's at support. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's at support. So we still have 6 hours left on this daily candle to print. So if it sustains this support area, then we should be fine. So you see automatically people are fighting for this range right now. It's literally at support. That was a 1% drop. Nothing too crazy on the daily. So this trend line is literally its lifeline right here. Literally. It's lifeline. So the daily is showing people are fighting for this trend line here. Potential reversal here. It has to kind of reverse, otherwise it's not going to be looking good. I mean, we're talking next bottom is around 886 ratio at 1089. RSI on the daily is almost into the bear zone. The MACD is underneath the center line. Your negative DI is above with the ADX curling. If the ADX is curling, we start seeing a bounce here. This will have a dramatic effect to the upside. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if we actually bounce here today, right, and we sustain this trend line, tomorrow it's gonna be really, really good in terms of the reverse shit. And it looks like it's printing a hammer at the impulse too on top of that. So looking good so far. Nothing to stress about right now. But really, really interesting where it's at. Like, literally, it's at the point. Oh shit, Bitfarm, let's go. Shit, I should have bought fucking more. Shit, I might buy more, I'm not gonna lie. You know what, I'm gonna wait for the pullback. I'm gonna wait. Let me be patient on a red day. Anyway, as I said before, so if you turn on the daily, I'll run it back one more time. Turn on the daily. Obviously, we have 6 hours left, but look where the battle is right now. Like, literally, this reminds me when I caught the bottom here. We were running here, and then I caught it around 1182, 1180. I caught it right here, and look at that massive swing to the upside, right? And then we had the next day, so I sold it around like around here, and I made 9%. This reminds me, bad day, and look at the hammer printing on Webull right now, on the daily, right? So let's see what happens. We still have 6 hours, but so far, it's gotta fight that trend line. It's gotta fight it. You know. Let me see what's happening with the SPY. Maybe that'll help us push up. Maybe that'll help. Maybe that'll help. Let's see. No, nothing yet. IWM also nothing yet. So it's just choppy right now. This would be a good area from a risk reward, not financial advice. I mean, based on prior history. Hey, it doesn't look that bad here. It doesn't really look that bad. Doesn't really look that bad. RSI almost deep in the bear zone. Really, really, today is the most important day on this thing. Really is important today. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Yeah, look at the 1 hour too. Wow. So it's fighting for its life right here. Literally, it's on its last leg. It has to fight this. It's got to really pull up from here. Otherwise, it's Chowtown. It really is Chowtown. What is that noise? If it's too loud, folks, let me know. There's construction happening. GPUS getting fucking clobbered. Already down 40%. I mean, holy shit. This thing is horrid. 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 Look at that thing. Oh, ASST. There was another one. ASST. Let's see. Oh my lord! $1. Dude, this thing is gapping. This thing is now officially dead. Holy shit. Wow, dude. I've never seen anything like this. Like, what? This is like a COVID crash momentum. Just non-stop. And look, exactly at the 236. Speaking of our small little plays here, Mobix, our little guy. Let me do some math here. It's got 5. I do want to get in on that though, I'm not gonna lie. And I will buy some more BITF. I will buy some more. Maybe I should place calls. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm crazy. You know what? I'm gonna wait it off. I have to wait it. I'm getting too excited with BITF, I'm not gonna lie. It reminds me of APLD days by not having enough. RSIs, look, if we fight the RSI, I think we fought it. Let me see what the trend lines are on the EMA. Let's see here on the 4 hour. Alright, we fought the 5. We broke the 5. Actually, we're holding the 5. We're holding the 20. 30 minute. Jesus, you fought the 30 minute. Like, the EMAs here was perfect. 4:45. Now we still have a couple of hours left, so let's see if it's gonna hold here. I mean, it's somewhat showing. Jesus, it's not. Okay, so we have a hammer on the daily here. Still 6 hours to go on the day, but this looks good. Typically, when you see candles like this, that's automatically a reversal candle, but this thing is so strong, it's disgusting. Jesus Christ. Any chance this thing hits a EMA, it's gonna fly. So it makes sense to invest in where the sector is hot, where everybody needs, what everybody needs. All right, here we go. So bull breaking down just a little bit here. Let me see if I can shut that noise down. Alright, hopefully that's a little bit better. Yeah, so sectors in the energy field, mining, you know, obviously are the best, not financial advice, but the best place to park your money at if you want to see returns quickly. So, not financial advice. So there was one, TMC, where the fuck is that? I literally had it up. I have Bitfarm twice here. Why do I have twice? Where is it? TMRC. Look at this thing. Alright, so now we're printing the hammer on the daily. This one I'm going to be keeping an eye on. It's already up 20%. I am keeping an eye on this one. So this one is officially respecting the 20 EMA as your absolute lifeline. So if we hit the 20 on this thing, I'm going to park some money here. TMRC, absolutely massive. Even on the 1 hour, you are seeing a shooting star. 4 hour, a wick on the 12, and even more notably right there on the daily. So this is going to come back tomorrow, or I suspect today. People taking profits, ride the train, and come back down a little bit. Alright, LL Bull, BULL. I don't know why I keep eyeing this. I was all over BULL. But then I rotated my assets right into energy data centers, you know. You know what? I'm just gonna put a little bit more here. This is no. I gotta wait. I gotta be patient. Look at that, 25%. It just jumped literally as soon as it jumped like 6%. What the fuck? Oh hell no! This thing's gonna fucking rocket, dude. These are clusters on the 1 minute. Holy shit! These are clusters on the 1 minute, folks. That's crazy. All right, here we go. SPY and IWM bringing us up with Navitas following suit. I mean, everything is just green. Absolutely wild. Look at that Bitfarm, another 12. I mean, we're up 12 here today. This looks good. Shit, I might just throw a little bit there. Damn it, no. I gotta keep having patience, man. Plus, we're not even at my 1 hour mark. I gotta respect the 1 hour. Let me respect. Wow, TMRC now wants to hit 215, or at least retouch it. Wow, Bitfarm, 13% on here. 475. Wow, absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. 13% on the day, folks. I knew I made the right choice parking my money in data centers, man. I mean, my return on investment was going to be quick. Wow, APLD. APLD. $38. About to hit 39 and then eventually 40. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful APLD. Beautiful. There's another one. Wolf is another. All the data centers energy stocks are just absolutely clobbering right now. They're just hammering. This is literally my energy sector, basically. Wow. Every single one is, I mean, like, parabolic. Holy shit. CRML 25%, UUUU 16%, PPTA 7%, USAR 26%, Irene $65 now at 7.8%. I mean NBIS 136 up 5%. Jesus. ABAT 41%. Like, this is the one I was honestly looking at. And I say, hey, I want to park my money in here. All right, well, let me see. Oh, that's right. It's up 41%. 41. Like, this thing went off. And I think it will continue. Holy shit. Dude. If it comes here. If it comes there. I'm going to keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that. Wow. What did I miss here? What did I miss? Shit, Jesus Christ. My Lord. What the fuck? What the Alright, we're gonna see the reversal now. Hopefully 850 is a nice... Holy shit! Wow, okay. Bitfarm, everything, all data centers are just rocketing right now. Look at that, folks. That's beautiful. Shit, I might buy some calls. No, it's way too expensive. What are options calls look like here? In the money, open interest, in the money calls. They must be expensive. Yeah, they must be expensive as hell. 4.5. So the 450 strikes. Calls at 350 in the money. Jesus Christ. Open interest 103.6912. I feel like it's too crazy to buy calls on a green day. Not my cup of tea. Look at that Bitfarm, absolutely killing it. Absolutely killing it. You can't even argue with this trend here. You cannot even argue. Holy shit, like everything's blowing. What the fuck is happening, bro? I'm not rich yet, but damn, I want to be so bad. Oh! If it's too loud, let me know, folks, if it's too loud. Sorry about that. Yeah, Bitfarm is gonna hit 5. That's without question. So what I'm gonna do is, wow, IWM and SPY. I mean, holy shit. What the fuck? Holy shitarino. Jesus. I mean, whatever. I bought into it. Whatever, bro. Fucking shoot me in the face. Like, fuck it, why not? There you go. Just disgusting. There you go. This is just data centers. It's where we at right now. It's where they at right now. Holy shit. You can't even argue with this. Holy shit. You cannot argue with the trend here. Data centers. Wow, look at that. Bitfarm. Up. Parabolic. Up. Parabolic, bro. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's gone. It is gone, ladies and gentlemen. Let's fucking go. Hallelujah. Who would have thought? I knew. Gotta get into hot sectors. Hot sectors. Gotta rotate. It's the best option. I mean, volumes in, data centers. I mean, hard to argue. You can't fucking argue with that. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. So there's a good significant amount of movement here, which is interesting here. Wow, so interesting. All right, so bull coming up here, finding life on that trend line here. So see how people are fighting this? That's all you need to know on BULL. It's still impressive to see here. Very impressive to see. Wow, ABAT now wants to make a new high. 45%. Holy shit. Wow, 45%. What the fuck? Dude. 45%. You can't make this shit up. Short-term sell-off. Dude, ABF. A bat. Holy fuck, dude. Alright, so bull wants to do a double bottom here. So if we double bottom on this trend line, let me see the 1 minute. Yeah, it's gonna do the double bottom on this trend line. So if we come back here, double bottom, retest a breakout. This was like a miniature. We need the broad one. You can argue that it wants to do a triple bottom, but let's see if it wants to come back down, retest it, and then come back up. But the more you test it, the more likely it's gonna keep going to test that bounce and then break away on the upside. In some cases, I want it under 13. Yeah, no, 13 is a steal. I'm not gonna lie. This is absolutely like a fucking steal. Like in terms of trend, getting this here at this bottom is absolute steal. Like no argument there, bro. I agree with you. It's such a good ticker too. Yeah, it's a good ticker, bro. Honestly, it's a really good one. You can't even argue with I mean, I use Webull, one of my brokers, and I love this app. I love this app. I mean, fuck it. I mean, dab here. 11:49, 7:27. Yeah, nah. This was the bounce. Look how clean that is. Yeah, it's a clean out bounce. Let me see the 15 minute. Yeah, nah. This is the bounce. Yeah, beautiful bounce here on that trend line. So look at that. I had a very inkling feeling this would be a nice clean bounce here. You got first off, the evaluation breaking below $10 would be fucking stupid. This thing is nowhere near worth $10. This stock honestly is worth $20. Like bull is worth $20 easy. It just really has a bad time. Wow, Bitfarm. Hello. Wow, Bitfarm. Did news break out? The fuck? This move is massive. This move. Oh, it's breaking 5. Oh yeah, dude, it's going 5. It's going 5. Wow. Bitfarm is going to 5. It is going to fucking 5. Wow. Honestly, I'm proud of myself. I listened and I paid attention and I said, I'm taking a chance, and I did it. Wow, $5, bro. $5, man. I said I'm rotating last week I said I'm rotating my assets into energy. Data centers, energy, and look at that. We're about to get paid heavily. I'm gonna hold on to my wow, dudes. Wow. Just hit the 5. Break it. Here we go. It's gonna do it. Come on, break it. Almost. 498. You gotta have some crazy volume coming in. Let me see the volume here. We're about to break it. There it is. Come on. 64,301. Boom! Bingo bango. Let's go. Let's go, bros. Woo! $5, bros. 5. We hit it. 5. Who would have fucking thought? Look at that. 503 now. Fucking A. Fucking A, bro. That's disgusting. Disgusting, honestly. Really, really disgusting. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy. Well below? Nah, I think you'd be asking. Wow, no way, dude. What about APLD to jump? Is it? Wait, what did you write? It jumped today. Oh yeah, no energy. Look at my. This is my data center energy list right here. Take a look at the take a look at the right. All right. APLD is not in here. Oh yeah, it's right here. $38. Yeah, 14%. Yeah, this is my whole energy mining, what is it? Data center mining and energy play, all of it, all in one. I was gonna separate them, but I said fuck it. You know, it's all part of the same, somewhat sector-ish. It's not, but they all need each other. So I said, you know, without each other, might as well just stick them in one pot. So makes it easier for me to observe what's really moving. If I'm missing anything, I might just add more. All right, APLD, Irene is in there, Wolf is in there, CoreWeave is in there, Cores is in there. Obviously Bitfarm is in there. Any other data center ones that I'm missing here that I'm lacking? Any other ones that I'm missing here? No, I think we're fine. Oh, GPUS, but that doesn't really count. That was just a penny. That was a penny swing. Yeah, bye bye. Yeah, this thing actually hit its volume low. 4110. Wow, BULL. Still looking good on the 15. Yeah, bros. No, I'm good. There's so many data centers to pick. I haven't narrowed one down. I said the same thing, bro. I said the same thing, and thus I decided to go with Bitfarm, not only because it is, not only because it's cheap, but I got lucky because I found it and it was going through a right here. I got it right in before, or literally on the day, and then we had a sell-off Friday, whatever. I think this was on Friday, right? I got lucky, and then this happened the Friday, and then I took advantage of the dip immediately. I didn't waste no time. So apparently, Bitfarm rose after it said it converted a private jet for $3 million projects financing data center campus in Pennsylvania. Super bullish. Rode the trend. I got in on the 1050 EMA, no, excuse me, 50 EMA SMA, and I just went all in. I said, fuck it, I'm taking a chance, and I did it, and look at that, it's paying off. I got lucky, very lucky on the volatility play. Look at that, boom, 505, beautiful, 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 beautiful. I did average in more. Earlier in the day. Kind of broke the rule. It was exactly a 956, whatever. I averaged in a little bit more on Bitfarm, and I'm gonna sit on that, and that's it. I'm done buying Bitfarm. I'm not gonna continue to buy Bitfarm. I have to have some extra cash reserves just in case. I do have enough on there. I believe it's enough for me. We are looking good though. That's without question looking really good. I'm pretty much making a nice pretty penny on the choices that I made. I'm happy with it. Let's see the RSI here. Yeah, we're overly bought here. A lot of people are jumping in on this. So yeah, that was a good play by me. Bitfarm. Right, let's see Webull. I like Webull. I just like keeping tabs on Webull. Honestly, it deserves more. But we also got to keep an eye on other data centers. I mean, if you're going to rotate money, honestly, right now the sector to do it, again, I keep repeating this, but it's energy sector. Anything related to data center, energy mining. Look at the sector here. Literally 45% ABAT. CRML 35%, USAR 32%, UAME 30%, ASPI. Wait, what? What? Are you blowing smoke up my ass right now? Dude. Jesus Christ. Folks. Jesus Christ. What the fuck, dudes? I literally saw this at $9. $9. It's already up 22%. What the fuck, dude? Holy smokes, dude. I feel like Bitfarm is gonna meme. I feel like it's gonna be the new RR. People haven't caught on yet. Let's see what RR is doing. Yeah, RR also 10% on the day. But it's not gonna have it's not gonna be near as fucking hype as data centers right now. I mean, RR with selling robots, data centers, you're selling contracts. I mean, hey. You're selling contracts, so, you know, I'm just saying. BE broke a 100. What the hell is BE? Bloom Energy Corporation. I think we'll add that to the list. Is this an energy play? Engaged in manufacturing installation of solid oxide fuel cell based power generation platform. Is Bloom? Yeah, this one's actually. I'm gonna add it to the list of energy. We're gonna add it to that list. BE. Good shit. Oh my god. Why does it not save the auto conversion? Why? Okay, there you go. Alright. Apparently I drew this back in the day. What? It was trading at $9 last year? Are you freaking kidding me? Dudes. No way, dudes. 108? Are you fucking kidding me, bros? Bitfarm, 20%. 20% Bitfarm. 20%, folks. Holy shit. Alright, back to this. Let me see what the 3 months look like. Oh my. It's already hitting this top trend line. It's hitting that top trend line. And if we had to take a look at where the potential exit's going to be here. The impulse here. This is the impulse. This is a start. Arguably, is it the impulse? Yeah, right here. Perfect. There you go. So that in line with somewhat of a trend line here. Let's go deeper than that. Let's go here, actually. Let's see something. It's not gonna, it's gonna be automatic. 100%, yeah. Yeah, I figured that. We got that. Alright, so we'll just leave it there for now. Yeah, no, it looks good, honestly. It looks really good. It looks really good. Looks really good, bro. Oh boy. Holy smokes. Holy Mandarino. Wow. That's absolutely parabolic. Honestly, parabolic. I tracked it from 30. Oh, $36. Holy shit, dude. What the fuck? Nasty work, bro. Nasty fucking work. Yeah, I got extra cash on sitting on the sideline. Emergency or just potential play here. Everything's hot right now, so I'm not gonna get in on anything right now. I already dabbed more on Bitfarm. I usually don't double dip, but if I need to, I need to. Let's see what other tickers on my list I have. Honestly, ONDS 922 RR. So let's get rid of all these. I'm gonna get rid of the bookmarks because right now, what the fuck is INHD? What the fuck is this? Why is this $1? And why is it on my radar? Engage in marketing sale. Oh shit. Whoops. That's why. Okay. I charted this. Well, you want to go outside? You want to go outside? Alright, we back. Had to let the dog out. Had to let the dog out. Holy moly. All right, ASST. Holy moly. This thing is absolutely getting clobbered. APLD coming down a little bit here. People taking profits, I'm assuming. Let them take profits. No stress, no love. No stress, no love. Look at that. Yeah, they're doing construction here. Let's go, bros. All right, what else are we looking at? What else? What else? All right, 492. Coming down a little bit here. I mean, with a move like that, you can't even argue. APLD coming down a little bit here as well. Oh boy. SPY 661. Interesting. Very interesting. Is crypto also moving on? Let's keep an eye on Bitcoin right now. Oh shit. Alright, so Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Well, it's doing the thing. Massive sell-off, 114 here. I did say that I believe Bitcoin's still not done selling off. I think we still have a lot more room to go. And I got a nice harmonic shark at 94. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Bottom. SPY coming down a little bit here. So is APLD. Interesting. Pretty much they're all moving laterally. Let's see here. 15 minutes holding. Just market morning rush, sell off, profit taking, and it is what it is. No stress, no worries. No stress, no worries. Yeah, me too, Bert. Me too. All right. Alrighty. Oh, so far so good. Can't complain. Even on the dips, I definitely want to average in a little bit more because I'm crazy. APLD. What's the RSI here? Strive. Looks like it wants to make something happen here. Can we actually swing ASST real quick? No. Absolutely not even worth it. I mean, let me see the daily here. Nah, this thing is deep in the bear zone. Holy shit. It's so deep in the bear zone. Reversal is literally right here. Like, it's not afraid to hit this trend line here. Alright, so then I suspect that's going to be... Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have a notification roughly around 86 cents. 87 cents. That should be a good number right there. If it breaks below 87 cents, it should either be halfway or on there. Should be on there or halfway there, so. Look at that. Coming back a bit here, huh? 663. I guess SPY didn't really like us today. Morning rush. And a nice little dip buying opportunity. It's not the end of the world though. I suspect every single dip or every little pullback is gonna get bought out because the sector is so hot. What happened? Guys, something's happening here. Sharmota. What the fuck is Sharmota? What the fuck?
Years and I've seen it over.
Something's happening here on something's happening here.
להוציא את חבר הכנסת כסיף מהאולם. להוציא אותו מיד.
Okay. Nothing really freaking me out. Okay. Nothing. Alright. Anyway, back to the show. I thought there was like Trump was at some sort of conference and some guy yelled something. So, alright, so SPY giving off a little bit of a bearish sentiment. The first 1 hour and 27 minutes on the day right now. So, nothing crazy. I suspect all these little dips here on APLD or Bitfarm, a nice little buy the dip opportunity. Bitcoin also not having a good day or having a good hour. We do see some sell-off happening here on Bitcoin. Let me see the 30-minute here. All right, so that is a huge reversal sign here. That's a huge reversal sign on the 1 hour here. Interesting. Very interesting. That's a inverted hammer, or I should say a large shadow spinning top. Huge decline there. Interesting. Bitcoin, yep, coming down. neglected the 115.821. Actually, no, it rejected the 10 EMA. I thought it hit this bearish line here. Yeah, that's no bueno. So look at that. The dip happened on here on Bitfarm, and people are gulping it. Okay. All right, so this BE almost hit that top trend line. All right, let's take a look at other. Let's rotate to other tickers here. I have literally so many I'm looking at here. You know what? Maybe what I'm gonna do is probably just roll them in trades to G, and then call it a day. Yeah. BMNR. LAES. Yeah, let's do a little bit of cleanup. Oh, look at that. LAES. Honestly, whoa. Bark? What the fuck? Oh yeah, this was one. Oh yeah, guys, so Bark. This one's very, this one's an easy trade. If you're looking for, you know what, I'll talk on this when I'm done, because then I get sidetracked. RVYL, absolutely getting fucked. That merge or whatever acquisition didn't last long, clearly. I might even add here. Let's see here. This is really interesting. I might just add. I'm talking a very, very small amount. Hold up, let me see something here. Let me see the 1 hour. Tell me something. Are you gonna bounce here? Let me see. Where's my RSI? RSI deep in the bear. Has it been a historical reversal? Yeah. All right, let's turn on the 4 hour real quick. All right, we are hitting a pivot zone here again. We broke below this pivot. Well, actually, roughly, we are at the pivot. This is the pivot, actually. Are you worth anything here? It's been in a downtrend for days, actually. 3 bearish line strike to the fucking T. Rejected the RSI center line here. Rejected and rejected again. Let me see the weekly here. Oh no, this thing is dog shit. Yeah, this thing is dog shit. Hell fucking no. You would need a fucking miracle to come back here. So let's get rid of this, all this noise. Let's get rid of this, actually. On the 3 month, I mean, Jesus. So this is officially your. Oh my god. You can't even take it from here because you broke below the RSI, the 236. Literally, so your absolute reversal would be the $1.23, and you're far from it. Jesus Christ. I do want to get into this space though. It is okay, wait a minute. The 1 hour. Wait, do we see anything on the weekly? No, okay. Alright, I still think we can still sell off a little bit here. We can still sell off here. We gotta literally bounce now. It's literally now or never. It's literally now or never. We gotta bounce here. Arguably, this is the bounce. Resistance, try to break out rejection. Now you're finding support here. consolidation, news, sell the news, buy the fear. This is the fear. Literally the fear in a sector that's obviously not yet out there. This is still that develops software platforms and tools that focus on providing global payment acceptance and disbursement capability. Offers innovative payment service, redefines global systems, enabling seamless business, consumer business. Electronic. Yeah, I just can't justify it now. It just can't. It's in a downward trend. Like, it makes no sense. Alright, it's not even historical support area. It's just a key area of resistance. I mean, sure, 27 cents, you got me. You catch me at 27 cents, I'm buying in here. Alright, 27. Roughly. Now, people can make an argument now. We got a high and a new higher low. Alright, if this is the higher low, let me come back here and hit a higher high. I don't know. You're breaking below the 5, 10, and 20 EMA and 50. So I suspect 31 cents. I mean, look, I'll buy it here for sure. 32 cents. There. With that in line with the 50 SMA. I'll buy it exactly at 32 cents. Give me the notification, I'm in. Is this the POC? Also, POC was 32.90, actually. Right where that 50 SMA is, I'll buy it. Maybe we can go a little bit lower. So what is that? That's an additional 6% sell-off. So I'm not in a rush. I'll wait. If it gets there, it gets there. If it doesn't, it doesn't. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna fucking do about it? Can't time the shit. Now it looks like we had a nice little sell-off and thus making new waves to the upside. Hello. Hello. Nice. All the energy sectors absolutely getting fucking parabolic, like straight parabolic. ASST. Alright, so deep in the bear zone on the 1 hour, he created an inverted hammer here. Still has a lot more room to go. Honestly, this thing is sad. Like, holy shit. You need a miracle here. Straight miracle. Because the next bounce is literally here. We're testing it as we speak. This was August of 2024. This one was December 24th. The bounce is literally now. It's now or never for ASST. MACD not even giving me any inclination of reversal here. Negative DI on the daily still showing momentum, and the ADX is coiling up, so the potential of this continuing is very high. We need to start making divergences here. Let's see if we see anything on the 4 hour. So on the 1 hour, you are creating some sort of divergences here. Let me see. Yeah, you are creating divergences here. Yeah. Equal, a low and a lower low. Yeah, so that is getting that divergence on the 1 hour. But even you printed an inverted hammer, bro? Come on. All right, so that means we're gonna definitely take a look at the 1 hour, 4 hour. Wow, dude, that's deep. Dude, that's fucking crazy. That's crazy. Jesus Christ. Honestly, absolutely crazy, bro. All right, Bitcoin moving up a little bit here. BBAI, what's happening with BBAI? 15% BBAI with the harmonic completion at 1254. Wow, beautiful move here on BBAI. Wow, absolutely loving it. Wow, look at that, boom. Hitting another key area of resistance here at the 1. Kind of got the rejection there, but so far so good. Even on the micro level, this looks good. If we get a double harmonic here, then that is very bullish. That is very bullish here. No terminal candle yet on the 12th. Let's see here. It looks like it's going to be a Carly or a butterfly here. Let me double check the 718 ratio. I don't think there's anything with a 718. Yeah, there's no 718 here. And on the 12, 718, 718. I mean, if it was a deep butterfly, yawning. Hello. Butterfly's got a 3% tolerance. Deep crabs are 5. No. Yeah, there's nothing there. Mobix. Bitfarm up, making moves again. Here we go. It wants to break above 5. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Why is people... They're just spamming the buy button on BBAI. It's pretty oh, LWLG, that was another one. Ooh, look at that. Only up 1.9%. I think we maxed it out. Yeah. Yep, that was a measurement rule on LWLG. Look at the beautiful wave. Look at that wave. Like, this is one of the cleanest waves. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at that clean. Look at that beautiful wave, man. Right, we are hitting key trend line here, but wow, that's beautiful. I don't know why I'm obsessed with this. Let me make it cleaner. Wow, beautiful. This looks good. Wow, look at that. Bam. So what? Trend line bounce, higher low, higher low. I mean, if you come back to 456, roughly, that'd be great. You kind of do need to sell off a little bit there. This thing's now like almost fucking vertical on the daily. Maybe on the 3-day you can see it vertical, yeah. Ooh, so even on the 3-day, so let's get rid of this real quick. So you're printing a shooting star on the 3-day. That's very reversal here. That's very reversal, and we had the perfect completion of this measurement of this BARR. That trend is now gone. That trend is now gone. I think we started, yeah, it was around 320. Found this fucking thing. So that was almost 100% move on a BARR. Jesus Christ. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if we can catch any crazy wicks here on our favorite ticker here. Nope, nothing reversal yet. Nothing reversal yet on Bitfarm. Nothing. No, I'm on the 3-day for fuck's sakes. We're not getting any reversal signs right now. Like literally, this is absolute, dude. Am I missing something here? Do I need to go crazy right now? Okay, you're hitting the second 382. Oh, that's what it's doing. It's just respecting it. Okay. Alright, so I got a price target exactly at 9. I got a completion at exactly 1097. This is a perfect, like, clean shark. Is it a shark? I'll double check. Yeah, I think it was a shark. Alright, good. We're gonna leave that there. Bitform. Wow, perfect touch. Look at that thing. Look at this. Right at the 382, 504. And hopefully fucking spring. But this is the monthly. Beautiful. No signs of holding back. No signs. This thing is fucking jacked to the tits here. Even on the weekly, bro. RSI divergence here. Divergence didn't even pan out, which is kind of crazy. I mean, we should start seeing some divergence here. Huh. This is 2024. We're in a new time frame, folks. I suspect tomorrow should be a nice little pullback. I suspect tomorrow. But you know what? We don't paper hand. LWLG, everything's moving. Pulling back a little bit here. Minus Bitfarm. Minus Bitfarm, it just doesn't really give a fuck. It's a hot ticket. Jesus, APLD. 39 bucks, dude. Yep, the one that got away. The one that got away. Yep. Mm-hmm. That's right. The one that got away. Wow. Alright, guys. What other tickers are you guys looking at? What other tickers are you ladies and gents looking at here? Let's continue to clean up my list at the same time. So RVYL going straight to LPSN. Oh yeah, whatever happened to LPSN? LPSN. Good thing we're running down some of the list. What the fuck? Whoa! Whoa, 1,000? What? Reverse stock split. Reverse stock split. Wait a minute, what the fuck? Wait. What the actual fuck? So wait, in order to buy LP, it needed to fucking, dude, what? What the fuck? Wait a minute. It needed, holy moly, 1,000. Wow. What? LPSN reverse 1,000. Hold on, I gotta double check here. What just happened here? One LPSN. 0 shares headed into reverse split tomorrow. Things could get spicy. Has a float now of 80, so now it can be pumped hard and bumped quickly. So just a few small size trades, great. Reverse split preview. Oh, they're gonna reverse split. Okay. Comparison PO and LPM had everyone and did this mini squeeze before it fell down where it came from. If it does the same, it'll be out of that mini squeeze. Then was announced by the shorts heaven. Oh wow, look at that. Great TA. Oh yeah, TL, oh my god. That's another one we should have done. Ooh, can I buy options? No, I can't short it. I can't short LPSN? Are you fucking serious? That's annoying. That's really annoying. Is everything coming back a bit? No. Alright, let's go back to cleaning up more. Stocks. So LPSN. KSS. What's KSS? Do, oh wow. Okay, we'll leave it on the weekly here. Wow, massive run to the upside. 21. Came back. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. There you go. From the all-time high. There you go. Rejection at that 382. Perfect. 1646. Let's bring this one to the trades to G. PGY. The hell is this? Papaya Technologies? Massive run. Whoa. $9 to 43? What? On the monthly? Don't even know. Hood, you know what? Fuck Hood, honestly. Absolutely hate this stock. I hate everything about them as of recently. So we're gonna delete Hood out of our existence. Let me just make sure we're not in nothing. We're not doing shit with Hood. Fucking disgusting. Affirm. Trades. KULR, what up, my guy? KULR. Honestly. Ooh, wait a minute. Hold up. Whoa. Whoa. Wait, time out. Wait a minute. KULR, are you doing something again? Wait. Time out. Is this time for calls? Oh. Oh. Whoa. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I mean, we're respecting that trend line. I see it. It's literally on its lifeline right now as we speak. Huh. Huh. We're on the daily here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Whoa. Dude. 4-6 ratio. Huh. You can even argue that would be about 5.5. What's 5 here? Alright, let's just entertain that. 886, wow, to the T too. Oh wow, yeah, nice clean bat. Broke technically hit profit target number 2, but this would be the reversal here, honestly. This would be the reversal here. Clean touch. Is this time for calls? Alright, let me see. 0.5 rejection. Rejection here again. You did it multiple times too. We had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Multiple times. And you came back down. You came back rejection again, but now you made a new higher low on KULR. Spinning top on the daily, on the 3-day. That's really interesting. So the 0.5 is clean rejection here. Let me sure I drew the Fibonacci levels good as well. Yeah, I did draw it nicely here. So low to high, high. Huh. Yeah, this smells reversal. Like we're pretty much... I think we found the base on this dog shit ticker here. At least touched the golden pocket. It didn't touch the golden pocket. That's annoying. It didn't touch the golden pocket here. Let me see something here. Okay. A lot of added confluence here. Let me see here. I don't like that one. But it is technically not bad. Oh, it actually is the one. Oh no, there's 2 of them. Fuck. Yeah, so this one's actually a little bit more accurate. Yeah, this one's a little bit more accurate than the modified skiffs. Alright, so we'll just leave it at that one. So it looks like... Yeah, this is respecting the shit out of these trend lines here. Alright, so now that we got the trend lines, let's argue... Are you gonna come back here at the 433? That'll be insane. I mean, you're in a literal downtrend, dude. Nah. It'll be too good of a trade. Nah, that's not the one. It was the other one. Alright, we'll leave it at that. Bitfarm coming back down a little bit here. Nice little comeback down a little bit here. Profit taking at best. Oh shit. Wait, what happened to SPY? Wait, whoa. SPY. What the Mumdabi? Wait. Oh, okay. Never mind. I thought that was today. I'm like, what the fuck happened? I'm like, what the hell happened? Bitcoin coming down a wee bit here. Multiple rejections too. You didn't even quite break out of this trend here. Clean rejection. I'm talking clean at the 115.548. Really nice. Interesting. First hour of the day, people are rushing to buy. And thus we are getting a nice little. Is that a that's a doji? Wow. Doji. Massive. Massive. Alright, it's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Let's go. What do you guys find? Anybody, what kind of tickers are you guys tracking here? What are you guys looking at? I'll leave it here for now. Bitcoin, data centers, energy. Sorry about that. I'm having orange. I'm having a nice little lunch stop. What are you guys looking at? Any other tickers on the way? You guys want me to chart? SPY coming down a little bit here. Breaking below the center line. $659.96. Interesting. Bitcoin 114. Now I have no cash to invest. Stock pretty much trading sideways. Oh man, I agree with you on that one, especially when everything's making all-time highs. Oh yeah. Everything's making literally all-time highs. Definitely not the time to dump money in right now. It is sideways, a little sideways action. I am feeling the same here, for sure. Nothing's really pulling back right now. LPSM with the crazy stock split. Jesus Christ. 1,300%, and they're gonna nuke it straight down even more. Absolutely crazy. Look at that. Any pullback on the data centers, I mean, look at that. We're gonna see movement here. Look at that Bitform. Still up 15%. Barely gave anything back though. And look at that, it's continuation. What is that? Double bottom? Let me see. Yeah, double bottom. Oh wow. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. So SPY is looking a little dumpy here. Minute dumpness? Question mark? Minuteness of dumpiness. Just checking some of the Twitter news, see if we have any headlines important to chime over. Let me see if I can actually, oh wow, okay, that's cool. Alright, actually we have a stock calculator here. Okay, we're good with that. Most breaking. Yao's cancels visit Gaza ceasefire summit oh, that's interesting. Hey, if you guys are just tuning in, like the video, folks. Subscribe to my channel and join the Discord. Join the Discord, folks. Here, I'm just gonna add the link here. It would be a pleasure to have new members joining the Discord. Wow, that'd be kind of great. I would love to see new charts. That's the Discord link, folks. I posted in the chat. Posted in the chat. How does it look? Wow, Brave browser just completely keeps getting better and better. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Wow. What does this do? What does this do? What is this? Oh shit, Cobalt. Cobalt rising. Unread. Wow, look at that. Instant move to the upside. I'm so tempted to keep averaging in on Bitfarm, but I'm just not. I gotta be disciplined here. You know, I'll wait on a red day to buy more. Not now. This is just too crazy. This is just too crazy right now. I do want to start playing puts. Like, if there's opportunity. Look, Solid Power. That's one I haven't seen. SLDP. God damn it. I literally was talking about this on the week and I wrote it down in my notes. Fuck. I mean, it's already up 15%. Fuck, dude. Yeah, but I couldn't have catched this. Solid Power. Fucking hell, dude. I literally was just talking about this. Oh my god. Alright, this one's going straight to the, that one's going straight to the energy stocks. Where is it? Energy. Where are you? We're gonna add Solid Power in here. That's another one. I literally had it on my radar. There's some really nice little nuggets that I'd be finding here. Nice little nuggets I'd be finding. Nice, cool nuggets, actually. Nice. Bitfarm just continues to get eaten up. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Alright, let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. I do want to buy some Jamia. Wow, $12. ATCH. What the fuck is ATCH? What the hell is this? LWLG. Up $2. Mobix. 87.96. You know, if Mobix wasn't so shitty. But it's a slow play, Mobix. But this is just like, you buy at the bottom though. This is literally the bottom. Well, technically 82 cents is. That's 5% down. From a risk reward. If you were to put 1,000 shares on that, 87. Are you gonna go inside? Yeah, it's gonna have to go inside. Let me get you the food. Give my dog 1 second. Oh, the ears. Is it too loud? Can you guys hear me? Sorry for the noise. There's construction. I wanted to try something else. Stock calculator. Let me see something here. What the? Oh, there's no scene? Okay, that's weird, folks. My bad. Not sure what's happening there. I guess the scene's not working. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I was just testing some settings out. Alright, everything's too hot right now to trade. Even SoFi. Jesus Christ. Let's put it into LAC. LAC 8%. LAC 8%. Oh no, that one's data center. SoFi, that's fintech. That's going straight to trades to G. We're cleaning up our woof. We're cleaning up our lists and also checking out some tickers here. Wolf is interesting. Interesting. Yes, it does look interesting. Look at that. Good morning, money makers. What up, Saul? What is up? We're cleaning up our little watch list here. I don't know if there's construction happening in the background, so sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise. No worries. Nice. How you been, brother? How you been? I might actually have to cut this stream by 11:30. I don't know. The noise is way too loud. Alright, did I switch this over? Yeah, I did. Alright, MBIS. What the hell is this? What is this? Microvision has a problem with the 152. Yeah, it has a huge problem with the 152 here. What is this? Oh, wow. I started this many months ago. Wow, that was many, many months ago. Holy shit. What is this company? What the hell? 2021 came down. Huh. just switch that over. Para. Wow. Let's delete all the noise here. We don't need them anymore. Let's move that to the trades to G list. CRSR. We're just running through a list, see if we can find any opportunities here. And cleaning up my watch list as well. Hopefully that helps. A lot of background noise. Been good. I survived on Friday's bloodbath. Nice. Yeah, I bought Bitfarm. I'm buying anything in the data center energy sector, and it's been working out. Right now, I'm just flipping my money straight to the fast side. Data centers and energy stocks and mining stocks are absolutely going parabolic. So that's why I'm fixing up my list right now and rotating all my assets into those sectors. So I'm gonna wait for a pullback for some energy stocks, mining stocks, and then I'm gonna place some trades on there. Right now everything's hot, and then we're gonna take it from there. I bought the dip on RR 530. Nice. Let's take a look at RR actually. Jesus Christ, up 11%. 11% on RR. Holy fuck. Holy mother. Holy. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, bro. Can't even argue with the trend right now. Everything's hot. It's booming. It's where we want it at. Alright, let's continue to find out another new tickers as I clean up my watch list. QBTS, ill. Whoa! 14%, 37 on the day. Holy shit. I mean, quantum stocks are absolutely killing it. Alright, RDTI, another quantum stock. 50 bucks? 15% on the day. I might actually have to have a separate watch list. TMC. This is metals, so this one's going straight to the energy. It already was. Good. TMC Nike. You're going straight to the trades to G. Rum. Guys, I feel like rum is gonna have its moment one day. In a sense where if YouTube decides to fail, rum is literally next. ASTS, $87, up 7% on the day, folks. EOLS, whoa. What the fuck is this? Nah, this thing is dog shit. I don't even know why I have it here. What is this? No, you're getting deleted. You're deleted. Grab. I'm going straight into the trades to G list. SPWH. Oh, this one's no brainer. Fubo TV play. Lucid vehicle play. Absolutely crazy. Alright, let's do this. Let's clean it up a little bit. Jesus Christ. Alright, we're done with that. Lucid going straight into the trades to G list. NU. Oh, this one's a fintech. Gee, I haven't seen this one in a while. Wow, I rejected again to 16 bucks here. Alright, we're gonna rotate it back into the trades to G. GME! This thing is dog shit. Where is it at now? LOL. Oh my god, GME. It is back. into the 23. Oh my God. The manipulation is real with this ticker. The manipulation is real with this ticker. Oh my God. Wow. You cannot even make this shit up. It is stuck in a range. This ticker is done. It's officially done, bro. If you can't even get the warrants, if you can't even get the pressure going, it's done. The hype on this ticker is officially done, bro. Now you're going to wait years. You're going to wait months and years to make your money back. Or to see any action. Meanwhile, the energy sector, data center sector is booming right now. It is flushing with money. The inflow of money going into these sectors are booming. Look at all these people holding on to their dear life on GME. Holding on to their dear life on GME. They're going to die holding GME. It's manipulated. It is suppressed. It is absolutely sad that people are still throwing their money at this when there's a horde of money, cash coming into the data center space, energy space, mining space. Hordes of cash. Billions. And GME, people are still finding conviction here. Honestly, this one is actually done. It's gone. I don't even have it on my watch list no more. I'm done with it. Many months ago, it's gone. It was nice. Did Roaring Kitty takes his profits? No. No, he's still holding. He's still holding. I suspect he's still holding because we haven't heard anything since that last video he posted. QSI. Oh, this one's an interesting one, folks. If you like this sort of if you like this ticker. No. Nah, Warren Kitty didn't sell. Oh, wow. Oh, shit. Huh. QSI, 14%. QSI. Let me see. Is this a dividend stub? I don't even know why I have this up. Berkshire Hathaway. Done. LITM. Snow Lake Resources. What's this? 32 million. What is this? The fuck is this? Whoa. Why was I charting this down here? What the hell? That's buggy. I don't even know what the hell this is. Oh, minerals. Okay, so this is another one. Energy, mining. LNSR. What the hell is this? Oh my god. I remember this one. I remember this. You know what? This one's done. I don't want to see that. LYLG. See, this is the one I can definitely get behind here. You just put your money in and hopefully it just goes up all day. I mean, it's in a literal uptrend. It's disgusting how crazy slow this thing is. I actually might park my money here just to have it stored. And then just get it. Just make money on the way up. So your absolute top is 564. So 564, that's 22%. It's very slow, 22, but it does pay dividends here. Alright, so this one is a dividend stock. So let's put this one in the, we don't need it on Tractor. We don't even need it on there. KHC, whoa! Kraft Heinz. Wow, I drew this back in the day. Look at these color segues. This is when I used to have. Oof, this was many, many months ago. We're talking almost past 6 months. The harmonic completion did complete here. We had a nice little rise at 28 bucks, but look at that now. It's cratering. Cratering. Sad to see. Sad to see. Sucks. Wow. Oh, actually. Ooh, wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. Kraft is about to make a huge rounding top. And it's finding a key support area roughly around 24. So what I'm going to do is, let's see if we can break below 24.70.83. And if we break below 24.50, I have an alert here. Add alert. Alright, yeah. And it pays dividends. Wow. That must be nice. Wow. Yeah, Kraft Heinz actually finding opportunity here. Wow. Alright, so we're going to keep an eye on that one. We're going to put it on trades too. No, that's a dividend stock, so we're going to keep it there. MOB. Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck? What is this? What did I miss? Dude, this thing was trading at $1, dude. What the fuck? And it's just been up only. What the? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold up, hold up. I gotta really pay attention to this one. What's happening here? Hold up, hold up, hold up. It's inside a huge... Is it a VTOP? Arguably, it's in a huge ascending sky. Bro, what the fuck? Wait. Wait, what's happening here? Wait, oh, wait. What is this? What is this? Volume is dog shit. Mobilcom is an end-to-end provider of cybersecurity and smart solution for drones, robotics, and autonomous platforms. It designs, develops, and delivers solutions targeting global drone robotics and autonomous system manufacturers, and firm holds patented technology and know-how to mobile mesh networking. Its customers include corporate, government, and military. Oh, nah, you got my attention. Oh, nah, you got my attention here. Yeah, you got my attention. You officially got my attention. Okay, this one now is on my radar. So much so, I gotta put this one on my watch list. And we're gonna put a color on it. And then SAS is a battery play. We can put that in the energy sector. Alright, and now we can delete this fucking thing. Delete. Hello? Open list. We can delete officially. Mining, we can delete that officially. Meme stocks. Memes. What the fuck is meme stocks? Open. Oh shit. Here we go. We can put this one in the trace to G. Actually, no. Meme is. It is a meme. Oh no, that word. It has. Ooh, it has words. We don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want music with words on them. Actually, we can do that one. Woo, woo, woo. Twist and lie with my 745. Alright, let's do this one. GoPro is definitely a meme stock. Dunkin' Donuts? I don't even know if this one should be considered a meme anymore. IXS. Alright, that's definitely meme. You love me now. Stay. And then open. And then we can just delete memes. Alright, what other ones do we gotta clean up? We have weed, watch. What the would you still? What is watch list? Oh, okay, we're good. I don't think this goes here. That doesn't go there. Like some of my friends. Would you bound down the ride? Inside. How do you feel inside? Burger King. You feeling me? Would you like that? And would you write back? Alright, let's do this. Bit Farm. Like that. Oh. Alright, where is Mobix? Yeah, this one's officially on my radar. Why haven't I looked at this? Or why wasn't this? First off, let's take a look at weed stocks. TLRY. Is TLRY making moves? Oh no, this is actually a good opportunity. Ooh. 21 questions. Girl, you a blessing. Tell me your dreams, I'm staring at you, trying to figure how you got in them jeans. If I was down, would you say things to make me smile? I treat you how you wanna be treated, just teach me how. If I was with some other chicken, someone ONDS, 20% on the day. Oh, believe me. Wow, ONDS, disgusting. Mistakes. Do whatever it takes. Yeah, we're about to hit we're at resistance 1095. Can you smile? I suspect a pullback here. Alright, so back to Mob. Mob is really interesting. I gotta really chart this one. Dude, what the fuck? Oh man, nah. Whoa, dude, MOBA. What? I'm gonna have to do the 113, and then the 161. Not even that, it went past that. 113, then the next one is, I gotta double check the ratios again. 113, 161? Is it the 161? Might actually have to do it. My 113, 161, holy shit. Para-fucking-bolic. Please tell me there's no... Wow. Wow. 113, 891. Yeah, I heard it too, bro. I heard it too. Mob, honestly, whoa, it's got shit volume. Interesting here. 819. So it looks like it's peak here. It's peaking. It did peak. September 9th, 29th. So it's just been consolidating here. Even with... Wow. So now it's in a range, rectangle top. RSI hasn't hit the center line yet. Okay. We're gonna keep monitoring this one. What's the 4-hour tell me? Yeah. It's in a range. Alright. Trades to G list is absolutely lit. Alright, watch list. We don't have to worry about data centers. Oh my god. The data center list is absolutely disgusting. What is this? New Era Energy. Down 13%. How did you get this shit luck? And why is this all the way up here? What the fuck? There you go. Alright. Mob, 16%. Is that like the quiet silent killer? Alright, Bitcoin's moving up. What the fuck? I mean, I'm looking at 88. Holy shit. So from the all-time, from that was already a 20% move. Holy shit. If people bought that dip. I still think we can still go down though. I'm not convinced yet. I'm not convinced yet. TZA, Mobix. Alright, what other ones we haven't touched on? What's INDH? Why is this one still on my watch list? From 16 to the all-time low here. Oh, ASSC. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get rid of this one actually. We're done. ASST. Let's see what's happening here. Oh my god. It's finding life. It's finding life. Any divergence? Yeah, so the divergence is happening here. Dude, would I be fucking crazy to put money on this dog shit ticker? Nah. Nah, no way. Actually, that is technically a reversal candle here on ASST. I don't know why I want to keep throwing money at this. That is literally the candle. Well, let me get the. You barely ever see these candles. Let me get the candle structure here. All right, so reversals are Harami cross. Not a Harami cross. It's a star, that's for sure. We know that. A bullish abandoned baby? Arguably, yes. Bullish abandoned baby, yes. Arguably. Yes. Dude, that is severe sell-off. Like, that's drastic, dude. That's fucking heavy. That's fucking heavy. I mean, to get back to these, 57 million in price action on top of that. See, now it's printing a bullish abandoned baby. Bullish abandoned baby. See, that's a bullish abandoned baby now. And this is one of my favorite songs. So I'm gonna end the stream with this. It's 10 minutes, and we're just gonna party. Let's go. Alright, so it looks like it's finding life here. Looks like we have a nice ASST. the reversal? Is it the reversal? It is literally at the reversal end of this. It's an abandoned baby on the daily. It's literally at the fucking reversal. Gap down. It's a 53% move. You put 5 on this. It is literally at the reversal here. It's rejecting here. Rejecting 15. Broke. 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 Will it hold? 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 Hello. Let's go. Will it hold? It wants it. It really wants it. Volume is tipping here. 5, 15 rejection here. 110, 15. We're above the center here. We're breaking below. The oscillators are saying we want up. Especially in the 30-minute. The 30-minute wants up. Let me see 1 hour. 1 hour wants up. Rejection here. And you got a nice little hammer here. Not yet, hammer. It's not even a hammer. It's a longward shadow. So this is why you put the 4 hours saying more continuation. So we stalled off here. Let's see the 12. Yeah, the 12 wants nothing to do. Still got a lot of sell off to do here. Let's see the 1 hour one more time. Yeah, no. I mean, it's gonna get the mean reversion, right? Go back inside the bull zone. And it's gonna have a bull zone. One hour once up. What does the 30 minutes say? Deep, 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 deep. Divergence here. Retraction still printing. 10 minutes, so it's all about this RSI sustaining itself here. Jesus Christ. go! Bitfarm! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Boom! Dude! Bitfarm! Parabolic, bros! Parabolic! Let's go! Let's go! Dudes! Holy shit! Bro, I just started spamming on the Discord. Holy shit, let's go! Dude! Bro, I took a bet. Greatest bet ever, bro. I'm about to jump in even more over here. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. I gotta chill out. I gotta wait for a pullback, though. I gotta wait for a pullback. No, wait. Broke resistance. Oh, shit. It broke resistance. Let's go! Bingo! We are up! Hold on. We gotta respect this, bro. Bitfarm. We gotta respect this, bro. Hey, bro, Bitfarm, absolutely crazy. Alright, so let's see some resistance here. Let's see some resistance here. Let's see some resistance. Wow, dudes. Woo! 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 Alright, resistance. Resistance. Let's throw it out. We get it out of the way. Get out of the way. Let's go. Let's go. That's near perfect. Turn on the 1 hour. Now we see our levels here. 515. Just completely, literally going nuts today. Let's go! Woo! Wow, Moby, M-O-B, 17%. Holy shit. Holy Bitfarm. 22%, dude. Let's fucking go, bro. I took a chance, man. That's how you kill it, bro. That's how you kill it, bros. Woo! God damn, bros. Woo! Energy sector, bros. Energy battery mining. Rotate. Absolutely. Good trade. Thank you, man. I'm telling you, bro. My gut feeling the other day, plus my deep thoughts. I gotta rotate energy sector data centers, bros. Look how fast you're getting your return on your money. Look how fast you're getting return on your money, plus so much upside. Like, why would you not want odds in your favor? Right? Why not take the trade odds in your favor, folks? Like, holy shit, you can't even argue. Let's keep it rolling. Fuck yeah, bro. Woo! Like the video, like the channel, folks. Subscribe. Join the Discord. Join the Discord. Let's see what the energy sector is looking like right now. Memes, no. Data center. Data center sector. You know, I should probably put it as energy. Let's rename it. Let's do energy / data center, right? Wait. mining. So no data. Whatever. Data, energy. All right, whatever. We'll just do it there. Energy. No. Whoa. What the fuck? Mining. There you go. Energy, data, mining. Bingo. All three here. Woo! 515! 22%! Dude, holy shit. What the fuck? Woo! Holy shit. Well, if you held on, you would have been a lucky motherfucker. I'm telling you here, folks. Shit, might as well just park my money here. Literally, but now it's a little too high. I gotta wait for the pullback here. Holy shit. So, so the way I traded this, folks, it was literally catching this SMA here. Because once we broke below the 20 EMA, it was catching this 20. No, excuse me. Hold on. Let me see how I did it last time. Yeah. Wait, did I? Yeah, that's exactly how I did it. Hold up, let me double check my 15. I did catch the EMA. Let me see my average. Well, I technically zoomed it up. So the 30-minute likes this 100 SMA on the 30-minute. 1 hour likes the 50 EMA SMA. So it's writing an SMA. So the next time we get a bounce here, well, this was a drastic bounce, but previously we haven't had a drastic bounce off these EMAs. I mean the 50 SMAs. So it was writing that 20 EMA on the daily, or I should say on the 1 hour. Excuse me. So I definitely bought on the 20 EMA, knowing that. I definitely did, because I remember. So the next time it comes back down, I mean, you know, roughly 460, maybe 475. I mean, you're gonna have to have the exhaustion come back up, and then you get another opportunity here, and then write it up, right? I mean, unless you're an absolute madman, you just completely buy here, sell here, rejection here, and buy at another resistance level, and then make a new higher high, higher low, right? That's another way to trade that. Dude, holy shit. Bingo bango, folks. Wow, I really want to close out that. Bingo bango, holy moly. 23% on the day, folks. Wow. Now up another 20. What the fuck? Holy shit. Shit, should I just start fucking... Wow, now 24%. 24, what the fuck is happening here? Bitfarm. Absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts, bro. Wow. 23, folks. 520. Whoa! Whoa! Another 4%. Another 4%. Another 4%. What the fuck? Let's go! Hello. Hello. Alright, we're gonna have to approve the... TLIG Baritza. 24 hours to respond to the Discord. Otherwise, you will get booted. And I know who the fuck the scammer is. Woo! Bingo, bitch! Alright, we definitely are, we are kind of due for a pullback. So I suspect the 484, I might even average in on the pullback just to go back down here and then make another leg up here. It is technically riding hard on the 20 EMA right here. So if we have a pullback tomorrow, folks, you know, we come back, you know, 477 right where the EMA line goes, that's going to be a place where I'm going to be looking for to average in a little bit more, you know, a little bit more. I am leaning a little heavy now. Might buy another 2K. We should see, all right, we are hitting the 886 Fibonacci extension. Beautiful here at the 525 here. That's beautiful. Perfect, perfect. We love the TA here. So let's see if we get back here to the 5 EMA. Right, this orange line, roughly 498. That'd be a nice little support area. Rejection. And then make a new high. If not, then I suspect coming back down to the 20 EMA. And then we make moves up, okay? So keep an eye on that. I would be shocked if we break the 886. I mean, I would be really, really shocked. We really break this here. I doubt it. I doubt it. I really doubt it. What's the RSI telling me? Volume, I mean, volume is just disgusting. Look at the volume of the last 30 days. That should tell you, folks, what is happening here. What is oh my god, no. No. No, get the rejection, bro. Take a breather, Bitfarm. I'm telling you, just relax, bro. Just chillax, bro. Just relax. Relax. Jesus Christ. There is a choice, yet so many people decide not to be free. I'm a free bird and I can think. Alright, I'm having a little bit of cash reserves here. Woo! Man, oh man, bros. Oh, that's why, folks. Look. Guys, look at the news. JP Morgan just announced a 1.5 trillion oh, dudes. That's why, folks. No wonder, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a fucking safe bet, huh? Dude, this is no brainer. So we have a new one here. VRVT. VRT. What the fuck is VRT? Let's see what the fuck this is. Oh shit. Okay, that's too much. Alright, so let me dissect what I'm reading here. Space Infrared Power Defense Networks, RKLB ASTS. RKLB. So that's why the other one, RKLB. What's RKLB? RKLB. RKLB. Beautiful. Okay, so that's why a lot of the damn, folks, I wish I can rotate the screen. I don't know. There we go. There you go, folks. Honestly. Probably going parabolic. Let me see that. No, not yet. Oh, it's only 0.25 today. Interesting. More money back into data centers. I need to go put it back right into Bitfarm when it comes back a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for so what I'm gonna do is here's my plan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the pullback on Bitfarm because it's gonna happen. And I'm just gonna throw a nice little chunk of change at this fucking thing. And set it and forget it, and then that'll be my trade because I'm already up. I'm up pretty good. I'm up pretty good, but I'm not gonna sell. At this point, I'm not gonna sell. I'm gonna hold it and sit on. I'm gonna swing trade this, and maybe when we get to 10, I'll sell. $10 I'll sell. I do have a harmonic completion here on Bitfarm, a clean one too, exactly at 1097. Off this 886 macro. Okay, those are words in the song. We cannot have that. And I'm probably going to get demonetized. Again. Fucking hell, guys. Wow. Alright, folks. I think we can call it a day. I think we did enough for today. I have a lot of things to consider. Join the Discord, folks. I'm going to keep track on energy sectors, pretty much mining sectors, data center sectors. I mean, this is my watch list. Take a picture of it. I mean, hey, take advantage of the movement here because right now JP Morgan just gave you guys a buy signal to buy the sector here. Energy, data, mining. I mean, this is literally not financial advice, but look, the chart speaks for itself. Look at all this. Look at all this. Look at this. All this. The chart speaks for itself, folks. So that kind of news, you definitely want to see it, and look at that. Everything's just migrating towards this whole entire sector here. SPY making new highs here. Well, not new highs. A new high of the day. So that's really good. Really nice to see here. We had a great day. Wow, took a bet on Bitfarm Friday after that massive sell-off, and we're just sitting on gains right now. And I'm going to continue to hold Bitfarm until we hit $10 and probably average out and then leave runners. This story is not done building here on Bitfarm. I'm gonna put a nice little penny in on the next couple of days here. Once we come back down, I mean, if you tape again, like I said before, come on Mobix, Angus. What up, Angus? I was just about to shut the stream, but what happened to Mobix? Let's see here. Oh yeah, Mobix is another one. It's in the communication sector, so. This is also going in line with the military defense play that the trillion dollar that JP Morgan just announced here. So, what's up, man? Long time no see. What up, Angus? What up? Yeah, long time no see. Yeah. I don't know if did you get the news? It's on the Discord, bro. I don't know if you're like in the Discord or not. But we just got news, bro. Check the link I provided in the Discord, bro. That is some crazy news. I mean, that is very, very bullish. Like, super bullish. Super, super bullish. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. Irene up 11%. Wolf, 3% on the day. CoreWeave, 1.8%. Core is 1.1%. all the data center plays are up right now. UUU Mining Company up 17%, TMC 16%. Pretty much you're trying to get away from oh, that's the one. TMRC is the one I'm looking into. That's the one, baby. This is the one. TMRC completely went parabolic today. Look at that. 14% on the day, and it's up 27% on the day. Just say, so yeah, I'll fucking show you. It's even better if you hear from the horse's mouth, right? If you hear from the horse's mouth, look. Well, actually, let me actually practice this. Let me do this. Let me just do. A lot of money, inflow of money coming in at these energy sectors / data center plays / mining companies. So great to see. Great to see. I mean, look at my list here. It's all green, -2. I don't even know what the fuck NUAI is. Is this a meme? If this is a meme, get the fuck out of my... New Era Energy, exploration, production, engaged in selling oil, natural gas. So that's... That's oil. That's oil. Get the fuck out of here. I don't want to hear you. Solid Power, 8%. LITM. Holy shit. Yeah, that is big news. So, guys, like the video. Subscribe to my channel, guys, and join the Discord. We're going to keep an eye on all these energy sectors, all these data centers. We're just going to keep an eye on them every day, day in, day out. That's the wave. That's the move. That's the money. Don't miss out on free money, not financial advice. I mean, JP Morgan literally told you guys, we're dumping 1.5 trillion. Trillion with a T, not a B. A T. A T. So pretty much any approval is going to be traversed. Any projects in that sector are going to get approved and traversed. Amazing. Literally amazing. Anyway, we're going to leave it at that. We had a great day, great morning. Awesome trade that we did today. At least I did. You guys have a fantastic day. I'm going to be more active this week. I'm traveling Saturday, Sunday. And then following next week, I'll be more and more active. So I'm going to be 3 or 4 streams this week. That's the goal. And then every other day next week. And then more videos. Obviously, my videos are always going to be consistent. I think I'm doing it every other day. Anyways, cheers, guys.